Developing national story that has wide-reaching impact. Two women accusing Brett Kavanaugh of sexual misconduct, but skeptics are questioning what took them so long to speak up. Well, ABC 15's Sonu Wasu looking into that and the growing movement encouraging victims to share their stories.
When I was 17 years old, I was kidnapped from a shopping mall. And when I went down to report what happened to me, the detective didn't believe me and accused me of lying.
Kidnapped, raped, afraid and ashamed.
And I felt so re-victimized. And we hear that from so many survivors.
Play out those emotions on a national stage. In this case, the accused, a Supreme Court nominee, and the alleged victims, two women who stayed silent for more than 30 years. Defense attorneys specializing in sex assault cases called this a tough one.
Given the amount of time that's gone by, there's no examination that was done. There's no, I'll call them eyewitnesses at the time.
No witnesses but your own memory. No impartial jury, but a partial and partisan group of lawmakers playing judge and jury. The case has started a nationwide movement. We're seeing so many sex assault survivors now sharing their stories for the first time. The hashtag #WhyIDidn'tReport now trending on social media.
We are seeing countless survivors, both female and male, speaking out perhaps for the first time.
Angela Rose, who is now with the advocacy group promoting awareness victim empowerment, says while they encourage victims to break the silence when they're ready, documentation is key.
Because as time goes on, memories fade, evidence isn't collected, witnesses disappear.
Even if they choose not to report at that moment, make sure that you document as much evidence so when the time comes, if you do feel that you want to choose to report, that you've got a lot more evidence that you could use in your case.
And whether Brett Kavanaugh wins the nomination or not, attorneys say one thing is for certain. The dark cloud of this scandal will hang over him for years to come. In Phoenix, Sonu Wasu, ABC 15, Arizona.
Dr. Christine Blasey Ford, the first accuser speaking out against Kavanaugh, does plan to testify on Capitol Hill this Thursday.